Hello, my name is Rajit Teresa and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be explaining you how I started YouTube, why I started YouTube, what are the stats around it, what are the things that I use. So let's start. So let's start first with the subscriber count. We have 1130, which is really less, but the type of content that I'm creating, I personally believe it's a really good quality content, especially in Ruby on Rails domain. So because of and overall developers for Ruby on Rails are really less, so I believe it's a good number. And obviously I want this to grow, but there are certain things which are beyond my hand, right? And let's start with the setup work first. So I'm using MacBook Pro. I think it's M1, uh, and along with that I use AirPods for recording purposes. Right now I'm not using this, just to check the sound quality of this. I have a simple light here, ring light, just to add some brightness. So yeah, this is the basic setup that I have. Let's go and see about our channel. So I uploaded first video on 14th of January this year, 2024. Obviously before that I had some videos, but like in 10 years I had 5 videos or something like that, 10 videos maybe. So during this time from 14th of January till 30th of July, like almost 6 month plus, we have created how many? The number is 194 minus maybe 11 or 12, so it's roughly 180 plus videos, which comes out to be one video per day. Okay, and those of you who are following me from start knows that I took a 1 month break in between, 1 month to 45 days of break. So posting one video per day in a tech related channel, I think I did decent job here. Okay, so along with that we have created many what we say playlists. So if you will go through my playlist, I have a Rails Gems series that is going on right now. 13 videos have been posted in that. Rails API plus React, so how to use Rails API for backend and React for frontend, that's one series. Community challenge I started, but it didn't work out really good, so I stopped it. 30 days of React challenge we did. If you know any such challenges which you can do with me, irrespective of technology, feel free to let me know and we will try to do it. Okay, because I have identified that because of this series a lot of other developers actually finished basic React 30 days challenge. So what it means is that it helps if someone else is coding along with you. And Airbnb clone series, this was the first series that I started, and I think this 35 hours of content and it's one of the best thing. Okay, so along with that I had two short videos. One was for notes application, which did really good, 3.5 hours of video. Then there is one more video which outperformed everything. Okay, this is Ruby in 2 hours course. Okay, this is a 2 hour video. It took me around 40 hours of efforts to create this video. So 40 hours of efforts compressed to 2 hours of efforts, and the result is that I got 546 watch hours on this single video. Okay, and 76 subscriber count more. So overall it has been the best video of our channel. Let's talk about the earning perspective. By the way, I use Loom also for recording purposes. I'm using paid subscription of Loom, and for designing purposes I use Canva. Okay, and I have to upgrade my setup, but yeah, things will take some time. About the earning perspective, so a lot of people do suggest me that I can start membership, I can start earning from YouTube ad money. Let me give you some stats knowledge about it. So membership, I can start giving memberships once these two criteria are met. First one is already met, that we should have at least 500 subscribers. We have 1030 subscribers, so that is already done. And second is we should have at least 3000 watch hours. Currently we have 2600. On an average in 1 month we get 400 to 500 hours of watch hour, which means this will get finished by 31st of August, but it would be really great if we can finish it by 15th of August. So basically next 15 days. So if there is some pending work that you have not watched on my YouTube channel, please go and watch them. I really want to finish this quickly. Now once these two criteria are met, there are only three things: subscriptions, which is memberships, Supers, which is you can send stickers and basically money on that, and shopping, which I won't be using right now. Okay, I won't get ad money till this point. Okay, now second criteria comes for ad money, which is 1000 subscriber. We already have that, and 4000 watch hours, which will roughly take me 3 months from now. So if collectively we put in efforts, I think, like me creating more and more video, you learning more and more video, which in turns turns into watch hours. So maybe we can do this quickly. But yeah, those are the criteria, and once this starts, what I can get ad revenue. Okay, but still I've gone through the statistics, lot of in-depth thing. I can maybe show it to you. YouTube ad revenue calculator. Okay, let me try out couple of links here. Okay, so how many daily video views we have? Okay, so let me go through our stats. Let's go to analytics. Now we can see in last 28 days we have 8000 views, right? Which basically comes to 2000 views per week, which basically means 300 views per day. Okay, so let's add that here, 300. Okay, they don't allow us to type. So what we'll do is we'll make it 3000, and whatever is the result we'll divide by 10. Okay, and engagement rate. Okay, I don't know the engagement rate actually. Let me check. Maybe I can try some other website. There were actually good websites. So 300 is the number of views that we get daily. Okay, so the estimated earning daily is 0.4 to $1, and because I'm living in India, that means I will be on the lower side of it. Okay, so we can say roughly 0.5. Okay, and monthly it turns out to be almost $15, which is really less. Okay, so those of you who say that I can earn money from YouTube ads, actually it's not possible. Okay, memberships is a good option, but that's also not the best option, because as it turns out, they take 30% of revenue cut. 30%. So for example, if I make, assuming I go on the higher side, and I make 1 lakh rupees, okay, from YouTube, 30% will be taken by them. So 70,000 is left. So 1 lakh is the amount that you guys gave me. 70,000 is the amount that I will receive. And from that 70,000, again, my tax range is 30% in my country. So 30% go again gets cut on that. So finally I will have 49,000. So what it means is that if you are giving me 100% of the money, I will receive in the end 49% only. Okay, so again, this maths is also not that great, but overall I'm just telling you guys these things because you should be clear if you want to start your own YouTube content, especially in education. In entertainment industry it becomes completely different, but in education it's really tough. Okay, and that's why people create paid courses. Even I have created paid courses. I plan to create more. That's the reason. Okay, but at the same time, if I get right now I've been working as a contract developer, which is not that much stable. If I'm able to find some really good full-time job opportunity, which can help me to work with YouTube, in that case I will definitely create more free content. Right now I am creating free content. Almost 95% of my content is free. On YouTube it's 100% free actually. So yeah, we'll see. Along with that, there are some statistics where I need your help. First one is obviously in watch hours. Second is actually in terms of subscribers. Okay, so when I was seeing these stats, only 14% of the subscribed people have turned on the notification, which is not that great. This number should increase, and out of that only 8.4% receive the notification because they have turned off the notification from YouTube. Okay, so that's just 86 people. Okay, I think we should keep on increasing this number. And second is number of this number. Subscribed is 26% only, and non-subscribed are 74%. this number should get reversed. Okay, obviously a lot of population, a lot of my viewers are from India, but that's 26%. That means rest of the world, which is English speaking, uh, at least English understanding people. Obviously Indians do understand English, but what I mean to say is 75% of my audience want me to communicate in English only. 25% is something who would be okay with English as well as Hindi. So that's why I'm trying to keep content in English only. 96% are male, which is completely fine. These are the stats that I cannot control. Okay, it's beyond my control. But subscribers and all those things, I think you guys can help. Okay, so that's it. I trying to what I want is basically I want to try to increase this YouTube channel more. Uh, Ideally, I want to be in education industry full time. I used to do that in past. I used to enjoy that a lot, but now it's not that worth it, because as a software developer I earn more compared to what I can earn from YouTube and all. So ideally I want to make this transition slow. It will take years and years of work, and after that also it might not be possible, but still let's try to do things. And if things are good, actually it will turn out. If the content is not good, obviously it won't work out. And I do recommend you to turn on notifications, because you can see that I have already uh, sort of scheduled 3 more videos. One is today, second tomorrow, another one day after tomorrow, and I will keep on adding one video for at least next month, for August entire month, one video daily at 8 p.m. Indian time. Okay, so to turn on the notifications so that you can know about these things. And yeah, the best part about these premieres is that during this I will be available for chatting. So during these videos there is a chat box in parallel. You can ask questions and I can answer them. Okay, and that's why I want to premiere these things. Obviously right now I've been premiering Sidekick, Redis and ActiveJob. All these videos have been premiered, but there were 0 watching at that time, which is fine. Not each and every time is not suitable for everyone. But I just want to mention it clearly that you can ask questions during that time, and that's why it becomes helpful for you as well as for me. Okay, so that's it for now. Thanks a lot. I hope this adds some information to you, and thanks a lot for this entire great feedback. Actually, I've been receiving almost 99.9% of my videos are liked, 0.01 are disliked. I don't know which one, but yeah, uh, almost that is that. I've been getting positive comments on each and every video. Some of you just comment just to motivate me. Okay, so that is again really good, and I really encourage that. I have also started a small group of study session with 5 people for free right now. We'll be developing some product, and at the end I will record that in a YouTube video and see how things went. So yeah, do comment more, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.